Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color, it's a dark black color. Let's start. Triangle, we are drawing triangle shape kids. What is this? This is triangle. Diamond, we are drawing diamond shape kids. It's a diamond shape. Diamond. Now we are drawing semicircle shape kids. Semicircle. Now we are drawing pentagon shape kids. It's a pentagon shape. What is this? Pentagon. Now we are drawing trapezoid. It's a trapezoid shape kids. What is this? This is trapezoid. Now we are drawing cross. What is this? Cross shape kids. We are drawing cross shape. It's a cross. Let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, pink color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, forest green color, purple color, yellow green color, deep yellow color, French vermilion color, Indian blue color, Indian blue color shape kids, peacock green color, peacock green, pastel violet color, pastel violet color, pastel blue color, pastel blue color kids, cool grey color, cool grey color kids. Now learn 2D shapes. Triangle, diamond, semicircle, pentagon, trapezoid, cross. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.